Your windows do more than frame the view outside. They protect your home from the elements, influence your energy bills, reduce outside noise, and play a major role in your home's curb appeal. Yet many homeowners delay replacing their windows until a major problem appears. If you live in McLean, where seasonal weather can shift from humid summers to chilly winters, your windows work hard year-round. Knowing when it's time for residential window replacement can save you money, increase comfort, and protect your investment. Here are the key signs McLean homeowners shouldn't ignore. Rising energy bills without explanation. Have your heating and cooling costs increased even though your usage habits haven't changed? Drafty or inefficient windows are often the culprit. Older windows, especially single-pane models, allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep inside. If your HVAC system seems to run constantly, your windows may no longer be providing proper insulation. Replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient models can significantly reduce energy loss and help stabilize indoor temperatures throughout the year. Noticeable drafts or temperature changes near windows. Stand near your windows on a cold winter day or during a hot summer afternoon. Do you feel a noticeable draft? Are certain rooms harder to keep comfortable? Air leaks around window frames or through worn seals are common in aging windows. Even small gaps can create discomfort and force your heating and cooling systems to work harder. New windows with improved sealing technology eliminate drafts and create a more consistent indoor climate. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should operate smoothly and securely. If you struggle to open or close them, or if they won't stay open, this is more than an inconvenience. It can also be a safety issue. Warped frames, balance failures, and rusted hardware are common in older units. In addition, windows that don't lock properly compromise your home's security. Replacing them ensures smoother operation, improved safety, and better peace of mind. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, peeling paint, or moisture damage are clear signs your windows are past their prime. In McLean's climate, fluctuating temperatures and humidity can accelerate wear and tear. Wood frames are particularly susceptible to rot if moisture seeps in. Once deterioration begins, it often spreads and can even affect surrounding walls. Replacing damaged windows early helps prevent more costly structural repairs down the line. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging or condensation trapped between panes of glass, it typically means the window seal has failed. Double and triple pane windows rely on airtight seals to maintain insulation. When those seals break, insulating gas escapes and moisture enters. Not only does this reduce energy efficiency, but it also obstructs your view and indicates the window is no longer performing as intended. In most cases, replacement is the most practical solution. Outside noise seems louder than before. McLean homeowners value comfort and tranquility. If traffic, construction, or neighborhood noise seems more noticeable indoors, your windows may not be providing adequate sound insulation. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced glazing options that significantly reduce outside noise. Upgrading can create a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Your home looks outdated. Windows have a major impact on curb appeal. Faded frames, dated styles, or mismatched designs can make an otherwise beautiful home appear tired. If you're planning to sell, or simply want to refresh your home's exterior, new windows can dramatically enhance appearance and value. Today's window options offer sleek profiles, customizable finishes, and styles that complement both traditional and contemporary McLean homes. Your windows are 20+ years old. Even if your windows don't show obvious damage, age alone can be a reason to consider replacement. Most residential windows have a lifespan of 15 to 25 years, depending on materials and maintenance. Technology has advanced significantly in recent decades. New windows offer better insulation, UV protection, durability, and security features than older models. Upgrading can improve overall performance and comfort, even if your current windows are still functioning. Investing in comfort, efficiency, and value. Residential window replacement isn't just about fixing a problem. It's about improving how your home feels and functions every day. From lowering energy bills to enhancing curb appeal, new windows deliver long-term benefits that McLean homeowners can appreciate year-round. If you're noticing drafts, rising energy costs, or visible wear and tear, it may be time to explore your options. Addressing window issues early can prevent larger problems and ensure your home stays comfortable, efficient, and beautiful for years to come.